Part 2.
Still mixing them into
Then
mush.
I'm going to add my shaving foam because I got a number 2. That sounds weird.
She just got a number 2.
I added the Richie last, so.
Right, okay, this is nappies and that is shaving cream. What if it makes it blue?
It will.
It will. If I didn't add that much, it wouldn't have, but
I don't want to have to add Flumpies to mine, really.
never did I.
But you had to, child. Right, I'm moving this because it's annoying.
Okay, my turn.
Crazy.
Free.
Can't feel it.
What's free?
Oh.
Nappy.
Wait,
Right.
right, let me cut it open. Wait, Shay, I think you'll have to wait until it, like...
No,
Right, is it ready?
mine does just get hint of blue.
Another
Mine's
nappy.
just like butterscotch.
Number 2.
Mine's is just so stiff.
Ugh. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I do not like inside of there.
Shaving foam's like an activator because it makes it less sticky and it makes it really stiff.
There you go.
Like,
Ooh. How did yours feel, Rachel?
nice.
Imagine the whole nappy.
I wouldn't at first. Just wait right now.
There's a big chunk here, Shay.
Pass it in.
Wait, no, it has some fabric in it, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
How?
It still mixes in. Look how fluffy mine is. Because that cup. She's so fluffy.
Mine feels amaze balls. What type of slime is this?
Nappy slime. Nappy Da Vinci slime.
Nappy butter slime.
Fluff. It's not butter.
Yes, it is. Look.
Right, if you added butter, it'd be butter.
It's not really butter. So
Right, are you gonna roll the dice,
This
Rachel?
stuff makes it runny.
Raquel, roll the dice.
Here's the dice. Nothing's for Granny's on fire.
Get all this.
Actually, can't stop.
Add some borax.
Oh my god.
Baby oil!
Somebody
Get borax.
pass me the Can you just tip it in?
Doesn't matter if it goes stiff, you can just add more glue.
Or more, what did I add? Coloration.
So guys, we're going to...
I have a nice pink slime.
A nice running slime.
So,
She's adding baby oil. Right.
this just makes it glossy slime.
Shades.
Look at mine.
I bet you.
Oh, that feels amazing. That's Raquel's. That feels amazing.
Drop the baby oil.
They all feel amazing.
Oh my god, why does it feel so cool?
Yours is like jiggly kind of. Oh, it's really sticky though.
It's really sticky. I'm trying to light it up. It feels nice with the nappy crystals in it. What happened to my nappy? It wasn't done.
It's on the floor.
Actually, I'm definitely done.
Right, so...
Did you add literally all your nappy, Rachel?
Yeah.
Why does yours not feel?
Mine didn't go sticky. Color. Right, color your...
One.
What's that?
And then baby oil. It's on the floor.
Oh no! I hate baby oil.
It made it glossy.
It's not fun.
Do you like the baby oil, Shay?
No.
Right, guys, so...
That face.
That much.
I think you should add more borax as well.
Oh. Do you like the baby oil?
Probably gonna this.
Rachel, do you like the baby oil? Do you, Shay?
No.
Do you, slime?
So, guys...
No!
Oh, I've got one more baby oil. Wait, can you get 2 things in a row?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if you got loads of things in a row, still have to put it in. I hope that I get nappies again.
You have to use the same nappy, just say.
Yeah, no.
Unless yours runs out.
colour bits in that.
Mine's is really stiff. But
I thought Nappy's made of cloud slime. No, that's
no,
fake
it's
snow.
and no, it's basically make past Shago.
Shay, here you go. Shay, are you gonna roll it or what?
Oh, that's funny.
I'll.
That's all you have to add if you want to.
If it's going to be foam, it's going to be good. Has to be proper.
Right, I'll roll. You're getting loads
I'm
of
adding foam beads to mine. I want to make mine like Rachel's.
shaving foam. Yeah, you got more.
I want mine to be Rachel's.
I've not had shaving foam yet. I've had everything but shaving foam.
Rachel, will you help me make mine?
Actually, wait. Yeah, I've had everything but shaving foam.
Have you?
Yeah.
I've had everything but colour.
Guys, what's your favourite things that you have had so far?
Nappy
And
stuff.
I've not had Da Vinci either. Mine's is the nappy stuff as well.
What's
My turn.
Yes.
Shay? Who's your boyfriend?
Doctor.
Do you love him?
Yeah. Da Vinci again.
Even though you farted.
Well done.
That's disgusting. Disgusting.
Did you hear Mum when she was like that? It was fucking one of his. In my head, I just went disgusting.
Okay, guys, so Shay is just adding her Da Vinci because she got Da Vinci again.
Yep.
So I got number 2, which is more.
Shay's fart.
Shave.
Boom.
Yep. I've had it 2
Da
times in a row.
Vinci feels nice.
This is just getting bigger and bigger.
Can you help me make mine, Rachel? Cause I want mine to look like yours.
Can I roll now? Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Number
More
6.
food colouring. Roll again.
Right, guys, this is the last one.
4.
No, it's
A
not.
pink again.
Yes,
That's
because
only
No,
in
it's
the video.
not.
In the video though.